Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to monitor task progress with the Burnup Chart in Zoho Project. First up, log into your Zoho Project account and navigate to the specific project dashboard. This is where all your project data is housed and where we'll find the Burnup Chart. The reason we do this is to get a holistic view of your project's progress. Next, find the Reports tab and click on it. Under this tab, you'll find the Burnup Chart option. Click on it. The Burnup Chart visually represents the work done versus the total work planned, giving you a clear snapshot of your project's status. Now that we've done that, it's time to analyze the chart. The vertical axis represents work, and the horizontal axis represents time. The rising line shows the work completed, and the top flat line shows the total work planned. This helps us because we can instantly see if we're on track or falling behind, and take corrective action if necessary. Lastly, make sure to regularly update the chart with the latest task completion data. This is crucial as it ensures your chart is always up to date, providing you with accurate insights. And there you have it. You're now equipped to monitor task progress with the Burnup Chart in Zoho Project. By regularly checking and updating this chart, you can stay on top of your project and ensure it's heading in the right direction. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.